towards the next topic, that is sacrificing ratio. Again, this is not going to be something new for us. Now, to calculate the sacrificing ratio, we know that the old ratio and new ratio has to be there with us. Now, if new ratio is not given to us, that needs to be calculated. Once we have the old and the new ratio, it is very easy for us to calculate the sacrifice. Okay. A and B are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 4:3, right? So this is an old ratio given to us. They admit C as a partner, giving him 1/6 share. Okay, that is a share of the new partner. A and B decided to share future profits equally, right? Compute the sacrificing ratio and the new ratio. So for sacrifice, I need to have the new ratio with me. So again, over here, what share has been sacrificed by A and B? That is not known to us, right? When the sacrifice is not given to us, so I told you we need to start with the words as let the total profit of the firm be 1. Okay, when nothing is specified about the sacrifice, we need to assume the total profit as 1. We know like C's share. Okay, what is C's share? That is 1/6. Okay, now the remaining share for whom? For A and B, right? That will be equal to 1 minus 1/6. Okay, so that will be 5/6. Yes. Can you tell me to whom this 5/6 share belongs to? A and B. Okay, A and B will get this 5/6 remaining share in which ratio? In this question, the statement is very, very clear that A and B decided to share future profits equally. So this remaining share, no doubt belongs to A and B, but in the new ratio of theirs, right? So let me calculate A's new share. Okay, that will be equal to, I know the remaining share is 5/6 into 1/2. Okay, that will be equal to 5/12. Okay, the same will be case of B as well. So let me copy this piece. Okay, so instead of A, now this is B. Okay, the B's new share is also 5/12, and now C's share is 1/6, right? Now, if 1/6 has to be converted to 12 to multiply by 2, okay, so that will be equal to 2/12. Okay, so finally I have the new ratio with me. So new ratio will be equal to 5:5:2. Okay, now I have new ratio with me. I have old ratio with me. So I can calculate sacrifice, right? Sacrifice formula is old share minus new share, right? Son, if you remember. Okay, the same thing. So sacrifice by A. Okay, A ka old share is 4/7 minus the new share is 5/12. Okay, so LCM over here will be, yes, 12 is 84. Okay, 12 4s are 48 minus 7 5s are 35. Okay, so that will be 13/84 is the sacrifice share of A. Okay, we can't say the ratio. Ratio ke liye 2 partners are required. P is equal to 3/7 is the old share minus 5/12 is a new share. Okay, the LCM over here again will be 84, right? 12 3s are 36 minus 7 5s are 35. So 36 minus 35 is 1/84. Okay, so now we have the sacrifice share of A and B individually. So sacrifice ratio is equal to 13:1. Okay, next sum now. A and B were partners sharing the profits and loss in the ratio 4:3. They admitted C as a new partner. The new ratio is 3:2:2. A surrendered 1/4 of his share in favor of C. Calculate B's sacrifice ratio. ठीक है, मतलब B का sacrifice share calculate करना है. So let me write over here the old ratio. The information given to us is about the old ratio. Old ratio is 4:3. We are also given the new ratio. Okay, new ratio is 3:2:2. Okay, and who is the new partner? C. So I can see that C's share. Okay, share in profit. C's share in profit is 2 by 2, 4, 7, right? 2 by 7. Now, when C is a new partner, that means he is gaining 2 by 7 share. And for this, who has sacrificed and how much? A surrendered 1/4 of his share in favor of C. Let us calculate sacrifice by A. 1/4 of his share, right? Please take care of this. That means we need to multiply, right? So A's share is 4 by 7. He surrenders 1/4 of his share. To multiply by 1 by 4, that will be 1 by 7. C's new share is 2 by 7, out of which A has sacrificed 1 by 7. So let us calculate B's sacrifice, right? So B's sacrifice will be equal to the total share that C receives, that is 2 by 7, minus the sacrifice by A, that is 1 by 7. So 2 by 7 minus 1 by 7 is 1 by 7. That's the answer. Actually, this is a very simple sum, but you need to understand the logic. We are given C's new share, right? C का नया share दिया हुआ, that is 2 by 7. So out of 2 by 7, what is the sacrifice by A? We have calculated that has come to 1 by 7. So it is obvious that B must have sacrificed 1 by 7 only. Okay.